Ever spent 3 hours reading a PDF and still had no idea what it was talking about? Yeah, we've all been there. But what if you had a team of AI assistants doing the boring work? In this video, I'll show you the best free AI tools every student should use in 2026. By the end, you'll have an army of AI sidekicks to summarize notes, write better essays, create quizzes, and even explain impossible math problems for free.
Let's be honest. Nobody wants to read a 120-page PDF from beginning to end. That's where AI summarizers save the day. Just upload your lecture notes or textbook chapter, and the AI breaks everything into simple language. You can even ask questions like, "Explain this like I'm 15," or "Give me the 5 most important exam points."
Instead of wasting hours searching for answers, you get exactly what you need in minutes. Writer's block. Meet your new best friend. Instead of asking AI to write your whole assignment, use it to build outlines, improve your grammar, make your writing clearer, and organize your ideas. You'll still write the essay, but you'll do it faster, and it'll sound way more polished. Reading your notes over and over doesn't work. Testing yourself does. These AI study tools instantly turn your notes into flashcards, practice quizzes, and active recall questions. That means you're studying smarter, not longer. Math isn't about memorizing answers. It's about understanding the steps. Instead of just giving you the answer, these AI tools explain every step, so you actually understand what's happening. The goal isn't copying homework, it's making sure you can solve the next question without AI. Last, but definitely not least, AI can organize your entire study life. Tell it your exam dates and available hours, and it'll build a realistic study timetable, daily checklist, and revision plan. Less stress, better time management, better grades. Quick reminder, AI should make you smarter, not lazier. Use it to understand concepts, organize your work, and practice. Don't use it to cheat. Teachers are getting better at spotting AI-generated assignments anyway. So, which of these AI steps are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. If this video saved you time, hit the like button, subscribe for more AI and productivity tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay smart, stay productive, and thanks for watching.